Ready to practice some letter sounds? We're going to do the ones that in our classroom have a red dot on the sandpaper letters. First we'll do mmm. Can you say it? Mmm. Here is what it looks like. Mmm. 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 Again. Mmm. 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 Now I'll do it in the cornmeal tray. Mmm. 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 One more time. Mmm. 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 Are you saying it with me? All right. Let's do another letter. Say ah. You say it? Ah. Here is ah. 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 Again. Ah. 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 Now in the cornmeal. Ah. 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 Again. Ah. 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 All right. The next letter we're going to do is t. You say it t, t, like t, t, tickle or t, t, tall. Ready? Here it is. T, 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 t. Again. T, t, t. All right, now try it in the cornmeal tray. One more time. Brush off my fingers. All right, one more letter in this set. We're going to do S. Can you say it? S, like silly or soup. Here it is. S, s, s. Again. S, s, s. All right, we'll try it in the cornmeal. S, s, s. All right, so the letters we have mm, ah, t, and s. All right, so you can practice those at home. And you don't have the sandpaper letters at your house, but you can make a tray like this to practice the letters in. And the other thing, someone in your family can help you get. I'm going to reach to get them. You can make your own letters, or someone can help you make them. What does that look like? Ah. Where does it matter? Ah. Let's see. What does this look like? Mmm. All right, so I hope you have fun practicing the letters at home, and you can tell me all about it, the letters that you're learning.